Hey there, welcome to this video. My name is Leah and I'll be talking about how to scale your business with sales funnels. But before I do that, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So whether it be you're a one-on-one freelancer of some kind, or you have a product that you need to sell more of the product in order to scale, a sales funnel is really what is going to help you scale your business. So if you are doing one-on-one service right now, the best way is to create that one-on-one service that you have and create a info product around that, which is really popular these days. Now, if you are a tangible product, you could sell more of that product through a sales funnel, or you could sell that product in conjunction with a product that is related to it that someone would want. So the best way to go about, informational product, your upsell. So a sales funnel basically is a series of different upsells within the funnel. The object of a funnel is so you can make more profit from one person. So if you were to sell something of $37 product on the first page of the funnel, the next page would be a $97 upsell. If they buy into that $97 upsell, then you can upsell them on something else like a $5,000 product. Usually if you're like a freelancer, you're doing an informational business, you can sell some informational product, and then the upsell of the funnel would be like a $5,000 coaching product or something of that value. Now, if you are product based, you could sell more of that product. So whatever it is you're selling, so you could sell more of that product, and then you could ask them on the next page, like, do you want 3 more of this product? And then the next page, it could be 5 more of this product. You'd be surprised that people are willing to buy more of the product if they are getting a deal. Now, you could also do something that relates to the product. So if you're selling, let's say, journals, you sold a journal for $37, the next page could be an upsell for like some pens and stickers that go with a journal, and then the next one could be an upsell for like a planner to go with a journal, and so on. It kind of relates to each other, and you could make a sale that is higher than what it would be normally if you were just to sell one product from a customer. So that one customer now, instead of $37, is now a $200 customer. So that is how you scale with sales funnels. Now, in order to scale that even more, if you are just driving traffic onto the funnel, you'll make way more money. Facebook ads is a great way to drive traffic onto your funnel. If you have a good offering that's sold, and chances are it's going to sell to more customers, and you can make more profit that way and scale your business. So if you are just new to starting out into how all this sales funnel, how to build your offerings and stuff, well, there's a good coaching 30-day course. It's all with live coaching. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge, where it really teaches you how to build your funnel into offering your product, and how to offer hack other people that have already built that funnel that's making a lot of money. So if you want that, I'll post the link below. You can go ahead and check that out. And if you have any questions all about sales funnels and all that jazz, just post it in the comments, and I'll make sure to answer them. Or if you want me to make more videos about certain things, just let me know. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos on entrepreneurship and digital marketing. I hope you have a great day.